In this video, we shall learn what are the tags and attributes defined by ChatGPT. Let us copy the question, what are the tags and attributes, and see the answer given by ChatGPT. Tags are keywords enclosed in angle brackets that define elements within an HTML document. They come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag, with content between them. Opening tags begin with the tag name, followed by optional attributes, and closing tags include a / before the tag name. In the example, the ChatGPT says, P is the opening tag, /P is the closing tag. This is a paragraph. This line is the content between the opening and closing tags. P is the tag name, indicating a paragraph element. Attributes, on the other hand, provide additional information about HTML elements and are placed within the opening tag. They consist of a name and a value, separated by an equal sign and enclosed in double quotes. In the example shown by ChatGPT, ref is the attribute name, indicating the hyperlink reference. https://www.example.com is the attribute value, specifying the URL to link to. A is the tag name, indicating an anchor element. Attributes can vary depending on the element they're used with. For example, the img element might have attributes like src, alt, width, and height to specify image details. Tags and attributes work together to define the structure, content, and behavior of HTML elements within a web page. They provide the building blocks for creating rich and interactive web experiences. In this video, we shall learn how do HTML elements structure a web page. Let us copy the question, how do HTML elements structure a web page, and see the answer given by ChatGPT. ChatGPT says, HTML elements structure a web page by organizing its content into a hierarchical tree-like structure. This structure determines how the content is displayed and how users interact with it. It also answers how HTML elements contribute to the structure of a web page. Nested elements. HTML elements can be nested within one another, creating parent-child relationships. This nesting defines the hierarchy of the content. For example, a header element might contain h1 for the main heading and nav for navigation links. Similarly, a divg element might contain several other elements, like paragraphs, lists, or images. Block and inline elements. HTML elements are categorized as either block-level or inline elements. Block-level elements typically start on a new line and take up the full width available, stacking vertically. Inline elements, on the other hand, do not start on a new line and only take up as much width as necessary. Examples include span, a, strong, and img. Semantic structure. HTML offers a variety of semantic elements that describe the meaning or purpose of the content they contain. These elements help search engines understand the structure of the page and assist users who rely on screen readers or other assistive technologies. Semantic elements include header, nav, main, article, section, aside, footer, and others. Document outline. HTML elements contribute to the document outline, which represents the structure of the page's content. Elements like headings define the main sections and subsections of the page. This outline is important for accessibility and search engine optimization purposes, as it helps users and search engines understand the organization of the content. Don't worry if you don't understand the writing. We shall see all those with example in next lessons. Thank you for watching.